Before you download Fitify, pause right now because most people think all home workout apps are the same. The surprising truth is that Fitify focuses on flexibility and customization more than almost any other fitness app. Fitify is a home workout app designed for people who want training without equipment. It offers hundreds of exercises and routines based on body weight, HIIT, yoga, and stretching. You won't believe what happens next when users realize they can build workouts based on time, goals, and difficulty instead of following rigid programs. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They choose workouts that are too intense at first. Fitify's Smart Planner lets you set your fitness level so the app adapts automatically. Fitify tracks calories burned, workout history, and progress. The interface is clean and easy to follow, which makes it great for beginners. The free version includes basic workouts, while the premium plan unlocks custom routines and advanced programs. The downside is that Fitify does not replace a personal trainer. There is no real-time coaching or posture correction. The surprising truth about Fitify is that consistency matters more than intensity. If you stay regular, results follow. If this honest review helped you, subscribe for more fitness app insights.